Welcome to Website Wednesdays, where I sit down with you and critique a random website off of Google using the storybrand method. I'm your host, Jonathan Vogel. Make sure to like this video if you enjoy it and consider subscribing so you can get the latest notifications right in your inbox. All right, let's jump into the video. Let's try web design. Soapbox Studios. Here we go. Ready? Let's do that grunt test as soon as this pulls up. Okay, here we go. And all right, not a bad load time, about 3 to 5 seconds. Ready? 3, 2, 1, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, so the problem it solves something about design and how it makes my life better. They had a logo called Soapbox, and then Start Now and a yellow button. It was in the top right, and it was also in the center. It's like Start Now or call and text us or something like that. Let's see how we did. So Soapbox Studios, right up in the front. Okay, that's good. That's good right there. Call and text us. That's awesome. All right. Oh, wow, it changed. Okay, view our work. Okay, web design, helping you reach your market. Web design. So we were right about the web design, reach your market. Okay, Soapbox Studios, here we go. Storybrand critique. Let's dive in. So I would say Soapbox Studios needs to be in the top left. I just think that's the first place people go. They do that Z pattern. That's how people look at websites now. They do that C pattern, or they'll do like some sort of F pattern kind of thing. And they also they have the call and text us, but I would put it in the top right. The top right is where I'm scanning. I'm scanning left to right, left to right. It keeps changing the slides. So I would put call and text us in the top right. Get rid of that social media stuff. Put that below in the bottom of your website. Get rid of call and text us in the top left. Again, Soapbox Studios, let's move it over here. The call and text us right here. Okay, it keeps changing. What the heck? This is too distracting. No, you're not getting any leads like this. This is actually starting to frustrate me a little bit because it's moving so fast. We build brands with effect, and it keeps changing. So again, you got a button here, which is very important. But pick a message and just leave it. No slideshow, or put like a small video in the background. But these slides are super confusing. People don't get it, and they're changing too fast. You're definitely losing sales this way. Now, I would say if you're building brands, then we build, brands with effective online media marketing. Okay, that's pretty clear. Get started. See, I'm trying to read, helping you reach your market, web design. Okay, so very different message. You're solving a different problem, and that's why these slideshows are super confusing, because you're trying to solve. Anyway, it's not working. So let's scroll down. Web design, Chilliwack. Okay, help, blah, 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 blah. We're at Cibo, we offer quality graphic design. Okay, small, that's great. Okay, again, too much information. The paragraph is good. Keep the paragraph. That's very good. But what I would say, instead of web design, Chilliwack, I would say something like, define the problem. Like, are you struggling to design a good quality website? That's a better thing. Start with a question. Are you having trouble designing a quality website? We can help. Boom. Put your paragraph, get started, call and text us. We serve all your website needs in Chilliwack. Have that as another header, and then put 3 of these icons on there. 6 of them is too much. You need to have very simple, just 3 or 4 icons, just to be like, here's what we can do to solve your problem. You do a lot of different services, but it's confusing. Tell me why I should go with you guys versus the next person. There's a lot of web design places because they also offer the same thing, but you have a unique offering and you need to make yourself clear. All right, so let's scroll down. Our work. Okay, this is a bit of authority thing. That's good. Again, I would make this a little bit smaller. Make the logos a little bit smaller, not so dominant, because it's a lot going on right here. It's just a lot to look at, and I don't know really what I'm looking at, because as I'm scrolling through the website, I'm not reading very much. So if you just put a few logos, like make them all gray or something like that, and then I can click on them if I want to, or just make this smaller, that would be so much more clear. And as you scroll down, ready to reach your target market, get your business image on point, you will be pleased with the results. That's good. I would put, I wouldn't say contact us. Like, it depends on what you're trying to do here. Like, you're trying to say contact. I think what you want somebody to do is contact, right? Call and text, get started. Again, your call to action isn't clear. You want me, you're putting too much information. You're telling me to do a whole bunch of different things, especially at the top, your home, why soapbox, services, portfolio, blog, all, and it just changed again. It's a lot of information, and I don't even really know what you're trying to offer. Something in web design, but you're not solving my problem. You're confusing me. You're confusing me, and I'm about ready to click away from this website because it's frustrating. I have no doubt you offer a really great product. You guys are a really great company. You're probably successful to some extent, but your website isn't getting you as many leads as it could be. I think you need to definitely work on cleaning this up a little bit so it actually shines. You know, it's good, it's well designed, but it's not clear. It's not clear what problem you solve. And businesses who communicate the clearest will get all the business, right? It's just kind of confusing for me. It's a lot. I have to spend so many calories trying to figure it out. So again, logo in the top left, button in the top right, button in the middle. Keep the button the same, and then say a big header, what you guys are offering. Web design for Chilliwack businesses. Boom. Become the business you are meant to be. Buy now, or get started. Call now. Whatever that is. Make that call to action all the same. And then, are you struggling to design a good website? Put your little paragraph, buy now or call now. Make the same words on your button. And then the success. We service all, we can take care of all your web design needs. And then you say 3 things: web design, e-commerce, and I don't know what else you offer, like social media, you know. Buy now, call now, whatever that call to action is. Make it all about your customer. Make it all about how you can solve their problem, how you guys are the right answer. And I guarantee if you do those things, you will get the business. That's it for me. Thank you so much for watching. Website Wednesdays is all about sitting down with you to critique a random website off of Google using the storybrand method. Make sure to comment down below if you want me to critique your website. I'm your host, Jonathan Vogel. Make sure to like this video, subscribe if you enjoy it, and I'll see you next week on another Website Wednesday. Take care. You're awesome.